Today I have opened a YouTube channel.
Oh,
Yeah,
wow. I will subscribe right now. Here we go. Yes, here you are. I can see you. Subscribed.
yeah. and
Done.
and my my daughter helped me a lot
Nice.
because I am not much more competent to this social media and like this.
hmm
And she told me, Papa, I will open your YouTube channel today. I'll help you.
Wow.
Yeah,
Wow. This is really, really amazing. Congratulations on this big step, because uh, I work a lot in social media.
yeah,
So, what I have realized is that social media is the new trend, and you can post whatever you want online, and people will support.
yeah.
So, this, like, for I can see that you'll be posting about your journey now
Yeah,
on
yeah,
your
at the
channel.
starting. But I have posted my last one of video, which
hmm
I received from your end, your backend team sent in me. But
hmm
after that, I thought that I will start from my journey. Whatever
Right.
am I and whatever am I today?
hmm
Not the posted. I have to post all the videos, but what am I to yeah earlier in the 23rd April and what am I today?
Right.
Yeah, the old story will be there.
Perfect. I will be looking forward to it. I will also be leaving likes and comments along the way. And I really, really support you on this journey.
And not
So,
only that, my
mhm,
daughter also searched your Instagram, your website.
she did.
Yeah, and
Well, I made this YouTube channel long ago when I was
yeah,
trying out for,
yeah. Last
uh,
year.
yes, last year when I was trying out for YouTube videos. Since then, I have been freelancing in that stream in and out,
Yeah,
which is
yeah,
why I have some information regarding that. So there are a lot of vloggers in our country.
yeah.
One of them is Gaurav Taneja. He's from IIT. He is studying to become a lawyer now.
Oh my God.
So he's very famous. He has 5 million followers. His channel's name is Flying Beast. So whenever you find time, you can just
Yeah,
go through his vlogs. They are very family friendly and they are very funny.
yeah,
So he has his little daughter as well. So anyway, why I'm pointing this out is because people share their journey online and
yeah.
they find supporters.
And
And you have also taken this big step, which is
yeah,
a great deal. Yes.
my little princess,
hmm
she used to uh, find Ryan's and his family. They also the blogger and YouTuber.
Right, right.
Yeah, and my little princess is much more competent from me. Not only that, her pronunciation today, as on
Right.
date, uh, like as a native speaker.
Wow. Wow, that is so amazing. So, is she learning this from her school or is she taking like coaching or something? How is she,
No, 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 no.
gaining her English?
Yeah, gain pronunciation from the YouTube.
Okay. Wow.
And nowadays, each and every action, not only action, what they are telling or they're saying at the very moment, I can't
hmm
understand. But see, see it.
Wow. Wow, that is so amazing. Well, I highly, you know what? One of my learners, she has children as well, and I told her to talk to her children more. She had the same reaction that, oh my God, I cannot, they are beyond me. I cannot understand their English. So I highly encourage you to
Yeah.
talk to her more and more in English.
And yesterday, what happened
hmm
with me, she just came to me and talked to me. What the heck? Yeah.
Oh my God. Well, it's good to see that she is speaking almost like a native speaker now
Yeah,
because they
yeah,
use
yeah.
these words a lot. Very nice. That is, I'm so happy to hear all of this progress. Really nice. So, oh, with progress, that reminds me, did you find time to go through the session material today?
Yeah, yeah. I just nowadays what I am doing, uh, just go through the headlines of the topic. Other than
Right.
that, I don't. Yeah,
Correct. Yeah, that is the approach because you are at session number 31 now.
yeah.
By this
No,
time,
I have missed my 5 or 6 sessions.
oh,
As I
okay.
told you earlier. Yeah,
Yes, yes,
this
yes.
might be 24th or 5th, I think.
All right. But still, almost a month into learning
Yeah,
English,
yeah, yeah,
right?
yeah,
So
yeah,
now it is the time that we gear you up for spontaneous thinking,
yeah,
spontaneously putting you on the spot and then asking you to speak and seeing you excel in that field, which is great because today's topic is exercise.
yeah.
And I wanted to know whether or not exercise plays any important part in your life.
So exercise. Yeah, yeah. Exercise is, I would like to say, very much
Mhm.
important part would play in our life.
Correct.
Because if you nowadays what is going on, the doctors also advised all of us, please do exercise in a day, at least 20 to 25 minutes.
Correct.
Yeah, it's not only the upgradation or not only for the betterment of your health condition, it
Hmm.
also help us who are suffering from, I think, who are suffering from the cardiac problem, who are suffering from the arthritis,
Yes.
uh, who are suffering from a little bit of nerve problem. It's very helpful for them.
Very,
I
very,
must say that.
very true. There is this very famous saying that a healthy mind can only reside in a healthy body.
Yeah,
So it is very important to find out some time in the day to work out.
yeah,
Just go for a walk, go for a run if you can, lift some weights, eat healthy. So I started learning more and more about exercise when my college came to a hold. This
yeah,
is quite some time ago now. And I started running. And I used to enjoy running from my school days. I was in the basketball team. I used to be a swimmer and everything. And then I just realized that through college, I am not really doing anything. I'm just becoming lazy, lethargic, sitting on a chair all day. So I started running. And then I ran 200 meters the first day, 350 the next, 1 kilometer the fourth day.
my
And
goodness.
then I have been going and going. And now I can say that I have understood a lot about this. And I have noticed that when we are in control of our body, when we are, trying to push ourselves, even developing our body in that way, it really helps mentally to feel
Yeah,
happy.
yeah,
This
yeah,
is something that I have noticed. And there are days when I cannot work out for weeks. And then I feel sad. I want to do something. I'm sitting and I'm getting bored and I'm getting bored. So that's something that I have felt a lot with me. Do you have
but
any same experiences?
yeah. But last 1.5 year due to Corona,
Mm-hmm.
I not getting touch in my field, in my friends. That's
Right.
why I am a little bit stuck in my house and some gain some weight, put on some weight
Yes.
in my body. Yeah, and
Well, I feel
you
this. Yes.
must be in you must be spontaneous
Right.
regarding your workout. If
Mm-hmm.
I know, I have somewhere I read it. If you brush your teeth
Mm-hmm.
twice a day, if you brush your teeth twice a day in a week, if you
Mm-hmm.
brush your teeth regular 7 days in a week, if
Mm-hmm.
you brush your teeth 365 days in a year, then it will get a result.
Correct. Very, very correct.
That's why
Absolutely.
I'm telling you must be spontaneous.
Correct. Very, very
Yeah,
true. I completely agree. This is like a practice. The
yeah,
more you follow it, the more you do it, the better you become at it. Completely.
From
Yes.
that, from that I am following this way. You should must be spontaneous in your work.
Yes.
Then you will get a
Absolutely.
then you will
Very.
get a result.
I can see that in your English as well. From the first session we had to this session, your spontaneity has improved. I can see that when I put you on the spot, you take your minute. The
Yeah,
first exercise we discussed,
yeah,
you
yeah,
take your
yeah,
minute
yeah,
and
yeah,
then you nail it. Very, very happy to see this progress. I'm so happy. So, I just have one word for you today.
yeah.
Okay, just one word. You have to make one sentence with that. And yeah, I think that would be enough because things like calorie,
Yeah,
things like daily. There is another word called nutrition. Nutrition is
yeah,
food.
yeah,
I'm
yeah,
sure you already know. There is cardio. You already know cardio is
yeah,
when you
yeah, yeah,
exercise the heart muscle. So
yeah.
I'm not going to be wasting your time with that. I just have one word. It has a lot of meaning. Today we will discuss it.
Conditioning.
Yes.
Conditioning mean you put some condition in your work.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, am I
So
correct?
yes. You are very close. Conditioning is when you are training and training yourself in a particular manner to become
Yeah,
better. That can be mentally, that can be physically. So, for example, we see bodybuilders. They will always talk about good conditioning of their body. Okay, we
okay.
talk about our hair. We need to apply proper conditioning material like oils and conditioners
Yeah,
to
yeah,
the hair to make it good.
yeah, yeah.
Then, for example, for students,
Yeah.
good and proper mental conditioning to relieve their stress is very important. So,
Okay.
conditioning can be anything that helps us improve and helps us train better.
It's a
Okay?
really good one. It's a really good one. I must
Yes.
say.
A
But
lot
I
of,
must say, yeah, one. I must
yes.
say one thing. I gain lot of experience from you.
How?
Yeah, regarding my pronunciation,
Mm-hmm.
regarding my pause, and
Mm-hmm.
regarding my thought process, I
Yes.
gain from you. I must say,
Well,
and I
I'm
am posting
so
this
happy.
video in my Facebook. Yeah, I must
I
say.
am.
And thanks once again through this video, I can must say thanks to Indra. From
Yes.
where I get you.
Well, Indra is also a very nice student. I absolutely love talking to him too. But
Yeah,
I also gain a lot of experience from you. For example, last time we talked about money.
yeah.
Cut your clothes according to your cloth. I still
Cut,
remember.
cut your coat as per your cloth.
Yes, I still remember. So nice. So, yeah, that is all I have for you today. Conditioning is the word I wanted to discuss.
Yeah,
There is also something called air conditioners. What are they doing? They are making air better for us to breathe in, to live in. So that is what conditioning is used for. Other than
and
that, I think your progress is going fine. I would really encourage you to talk to your daughter more and
yeah,
gain some of her accent as well.
yeah,
This
yeah,
is the major feedback for today. Minor feedback is just read today's session material when you have the time.
yeah.
Because there are almost 20 odd words here. I did not cover all of them because they are simple, but they will just refresh your memory of those words.
And
That is,
before ending our sessions again, happy birthday to
oh,
you
thank you
for
so
that
much.
day.
Thank you so
And
much.
last day I downloaded the apps booklet.
Okay.
Yeah, there are so many books online, and
Mm-hmm.
how it works. You have read out one books, then you will get the next book.
Okay, nice. Nice.
Yeah,
That is nice.